Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the look I came up with today. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. First, I'm setting my base with my Maybeline Fit Me Concealer as always. As I'm setting my base, I'm also carving out my eyebrows and cleaning them up from the bottom and the top. To blend that out, I'm going to be using my Morphe 335 brush. To set my base, I'm going to be using the shade Mogul from this palette, which name I cannot pronounce, and I'm going to set that. Now I'm going to take my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to pick up the shade Raw Sienna with the brush that came with the palette. This one actually came from the Subculture palette and I didn't like it. I like the one that came, I know it's the same brush, but for some reason this one just felt kind of weird. But I went ahead and buffed Raw Sienna into my crease as my transition shade. With the same brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Burnt Orange and apply that on my crease as well. Now I'm picking up the shade Real Bar with my Morphe M505 brush and I'm applying that into my crease and on the outer corners of my eye. I then switched over to my Morphe M433 brush and I focused that more inside my crease and to get a more precise application on my outer eye. PUR Cosmetics brush, I'm going to grab the shade Cypress Umber and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm grabbing my Maybeline Fit Me Concealer and I'm going to apply that on my eyelid, and then I'm going to throw this yellow shade from MAC right on top of that. I'm not too sure what it's called, but it's like an electric yellow shade, and I'll just put the name in the description box. It's gonna look a little messy, but it'll all come together when the yellow shade is applied and once you start blending everything out. Alright guys, now we're going to clean up our eyeshadow with concealer, and I'm going to be using the Maybeline Fit Me. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm going to dip into the shade Real Gar and apply that on the bottom, and then I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber and I'm just going to focus that on the outer corners. For lashes, I'm going to be using Cocoa Lashes in the style Queen Bee. They are so bomb. I love these lashes. And this concludes today's video. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever you want to do, watch it again. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.